Just going to show you how I would use it. It's very subtle, but it does add a very simple little shimmer to the water. So I'm just going to show you on a bit of water's edge how I would use it. Please bear with me. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what I'm doing, and please just shout if you've got any questions. Thank you. Okay, so I've got here a couple of blues, my silver and some yellow ochre. So I'm just going to put down a little bit of water's edge and just show you how I include the silver. I've got my colours in my palette already, so I've got my blue, my marine blue. There's the mock off the palette from yesterday, which is fantastic. I love using that. And I've got the silver down here and my ochre's in there. So I'm just going to grab my brush. I'm using here my SAA large worker, my number 8. So I'm going to take some blue, mix a couple of my blues together, ultramarine and then the marine or an intense blue. And I'm just going to start a little bit of dry brushing. And to do the dry brushing, I'm laying the brush down on the paper. Need a bit more colour here. And that gives me this start of some sparkle by having those light areas. So I'm just going to create a water's edge along here. Oh, I can add a bit of something in there. Touch of my yellow ochre I'm going to add in there just to green this water along the edge. Using a bit of my dark that I've got left over from yesterday. Touch more ultramarine in there just to dark this down. Back down to my greener. Now I want to pale this down, but now I'm going to add some of the silver. Just mixing that in, a touch more of the marine and the yellow ochre. Now I've cleaned my brush, I'm just picking up a little bit of this. I don't want masses of it, it's a bit more silver. So I'm just washing that in through the edge there. Just a touch more of the silver coming across. Just dipping this out and breaking this edge up. Plenty of the silver going on. Go. And let's pick up some more of my yellow ochre, a bit of the muck off the palette, the dirt from yesterday. We're just putting a shoreline along here. I'm going to put some silver in that as well. We can have a bit of sparkle on the shore, can't we? So just pull this out here. And a bit more of the silver just to darken down under the edge of that wave. So this is how I use the silver. It's just putting it in, mixing it in with those edge colours. I'm just taking some water and pushing the paint around. with a bit more dark. Okay, now it's really difficult to show you this shimmer on the screen. I will move that backwards and forwards, and I don't know if you can get a little bit of that shimmer that's in there. What I will show you, sometimes you can see it better. Can you see the shimmer that's in my water pot where I've been washing my brush? Well, that's the shimmer that you get on the watercolour. So that's what we're looking for. So let me turn you back round. There we go. So this is adding the little bit of silver on the edge. So it's just mixing it in, and it gives you that ever such a slight shimmer. So by diluting it, you get the shimmer rather than the solid colour. If you want to use it more as a neat colour, you can get more of a silver finish to it. But I quite like it in the water's edge. Thank you, and I will see you soon. Bye.